And a very good day to you, Steve from EstateMAX here, saying EstateMAX has found its way back to Potomac, Maryland, April 22, 23, and 24. That's this weekend, that's right. Lori and Steve found Potomac, Maryland, near Falls Road and River Road. All the cool stuff in Maryland. Here's a New York piano by Este. It's worth about $1,200 to us. Probably cost about $3,000 new. So this is EstateMAX. We're here in Potomac, Maryland. Exact address is to be announced the day before the sale, which will be the Thursday, the 21st. Here's a pretty sectional in the main living area. It's a very nice large house. I'd say probably 6,000 square feet or more. Let's give you a preview tour of what we have to offer. As usual, EstateMAX has a little bit of everything. And nothing but surprises and adventure. Again, April 22, 23, and 24. Address to be announced the day before. A lot of Penn State stuff, a lot of sports stuff. A lot of kids' books, a whole library full of kids' books, as a matter of fact. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Wait to see the outside. Gorgeous pool furniture and outdoor furniture. The kitchen is stuffed. Look at this kitchen living area. It's pretty wild. Let's do a walk through that. There's almost nothing that you can't find here. Here's that pool outside. Oops, we're looking at the kitchen stuff, aren't we? Ovens, broilers, microwaves. KitchenAid. Baskets. Leather recliner. Lots of decor. Gorgeous Samsung television. It's hard to take pictures of TVs that aren't turned on. Tons of great decor. This is a well-loved house. We'll go outside in a minute after we check out the rest of the downstairs. Here's another sectional. Again, it's in great condition. This leather sofa is only $515. It's in like new condition. We're going to head outside in a minute and take a look and see what's out there. So again, just off the kitchen, beautiful screened-in deck area. Great table and chair set. This will probably seat 8 people with this set. This table is 7 feet by 39 inches. Just next to that, outside on the deck, there's a cast aluminum set. It's a really high quality set. It's about 7 feet by 38 inches. Need something smaller? We have it. Same style, cast aluminum. Great Weber grill. We'll head down here. Some more recliners at poolside. In the shed out back, we have more recliners and more pool stuff. Again, from the kitchen, let's head down into the garage and see what we can see. Careful on these stairs. Not very well lit. Okay, a lot of stuff in the garage is marked, but a lot is also make us an offer. So if you see something you like, and it's not priced in green, just say what you like to pay for it, and we'll try to accommodate you. It's a nice roaster up there. A lot of sports, softball, baseball, basketball, hockey. Oh, there's a great doll set. There's a great Kenmore Sears sewing machine outfit. Refrigerators for sale, miscellaneous bookcases and tools. More books at 50 cents a piece for kids. There's an Epson printer. This dollhouse is very interesting. It's a great classic dollhouse. It has an enormous amount of dollhouse paraphernalia in it. Look at these handmade dollhouse pieces. You'd have a blast with that. So again, a lot of the stuff in the garage is make us an offer. There's some tool type stuff. There's some drills, jumper cables. There's a hedge trimmer, some tennis rackets, lawn tools as usual, file cabinets, miscellaneous chairs and accessories, bookcases, There's a bicycle, there's a Hoover Power Vac wet dry, Diamond bicycle, in pretty good shape. There's a power washer kit and system. Shabby chicable dressers. Again, we're in the garage. Let's go back inside. Oh, we also have bar stools in the kitchen. In the fully finished basement, you have a high-end Jula ping pong table set up. You have a great foosball system. Yet another nice television, along with some miscellaneous things and stereo cabinets. You even have the proverbial 800-pound gorilla. Headed towards the bar. More bar stools. Games, knickknacks. There's a popcorn machine with matching bags. Bar stools are wrought iron, they're a great deal. A lot of great miscellaneous things, including folding chairs, crystal picture frames, gumball machines. These gumball machines. And I really like the popcorn machine, complete with popcorn bags. Organizers for the kids' room. And a Nordic Track treadmill in pretty good shape. It's a nice piece. Again, it's a Nordic Track. There's an office complete with a bookcase, built-ins. Again, we're in the office room at the very front of the house. These are all for sale. Some interesting jewelry. Upstairs in the master bedroom. Very modern headboard, footboard setup. Matching dresser and a small television. Kids' bedroom in white. Including this wall unit system and desk combination. The boys' room. Nice oak setup here, like that. Sports themed. And last guest bedroom. Again, this is Steve from EstateMAX. Talk to you from Potomac, Maryland. Just off of Falls Road or River Road. We'll be here Friday the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. Shop early for best results. Address will be released on the day before the sale, the 21st, on our EstateMAX Facebook page, as well as estatesales.net. Just look up Potomac, Maryland, EstateMAX Estate Sales, and you'll see everything. This is Steve for Lori, saying we hope to see you then.